少尉，贴纸贴一下，快来。哎，也就10来分钟了，我们把做个开场白。
Business is back.
这个打开。
OK。你今天怎么感觉跟昨天有些不一样呢？开了吗？Hello。check。Hello， 可以开了吗？
开了。
啊，哎，这个怎么搞？
这个不用碰，这个。
那 PPT 在哪？哦。OK。Hello everybody. This is Savon from bobomachine. Our company bobomachine is a professional machine manufacturer. We focus on HVAC industrial. It's normally work for duct machines and refrigeration machines, such as for the duct, ventilation duct. I mean, you can call it square duct or round duct, and this is a part of hard duct. Also, flexible duct, aluminum foil, flexible duct, or semi-rigid flexible duct. Okay, today, for the duct machines, we got for many lines for each duct manufacturing. But today we're gonna show you some machines about axial fans for the axial flow fan manufacturing machines. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see, this is a kind of vertical type machine. It is a work for the axial fan for the side flanging. Yes. And we got a couple of kinds for your option, such as BOHC services and BOHP services. You can see that BOHC got two kinds. For one is 1,250, another one is 1,300, and for the BOHP services, is 1,300 and 1,600. Of course, we still have other models for your option for the different for your different demands. Okay, just for now, we talk about the flanging machine, BOHC services, and as you can see, this kind of machine only got the flanging function only. Flanging, yes, but the difference is diameter and its thickness. Okay, for the first one, the diameter range is 300 to 1,250, and another kind is 300, and the maximum diameter is 1,300 millimeter. Okay, but the thickness is also different. The thickness is 1.5 to 5 millimeter. Another one is 1.5 to 3 millimeter. And the flange width is same, 50. maximum flange width is 50 millimeter. Okay, it means for the axial fan, the 90 degree flange, the maximum width is 50. Of course, you can work on it for 30, 40, or any size within 50 millimeter. Also, you can see that this machine, first one is horizontal, another one is vertical. Okay, so maybe you can check some videos for more consideration. Okay, this is the BOH. This machine is a kind of hydraulic manual machine. It means your operator just take the workpiece on then machine then get the flanges by hydraulic drives and for the flange forming and then main load off. Yes, it is. Kind of hydraulic system to get to the. This is a foaming roller to make the 90-degree flanges formed. Okay, change another roller. So you can see every process is manual works by operator. You can see that the flange formed into 90 degree from a straight to 90 degree, forward to 90 degree. Okay, change another side. Okay, that's the finish. Okay, another one. The advantage is you can use different diameters on one same machine. Just change the roller. Very easy. Can I have more details about this machine? Sure, please. Okay, okay. Thank you for watching. Please hit our Alibaba website or leave us messages. Our sales manager will contact with you and coach you, show you more details. Also, you can come to our website, our YouTube, leave us message, leave us your contact information. We will back to you. Thank you. As you can see, this machine, no, maybe manual works, but the advantage is it suit for different diameters from 300 to 1250. It means you don't need a mold. Change mold is a complicated process. So it is suitable for small capacity, but different models fans manufacturing. Of course, you may ask horse punching. Yes, horse punching. We got another manual hydraulic punch machine to get horse. So you guys work for this flange. You need two steps. For one is work flanges on this machine. Another one is get the horse by another manual hydraulic horse punch machine. Maybe you guys also want to refer to for automatic machine. Sure, we also got the full automatic machine, so let's go for it. Okay, this is a kind of full automatic machine. So you can see every process is for automatic. Uh, this is a foaming roller, a hydraulic drive. Get the flange to 90 forward into 90-degree, but it is a cold forming process. For this kind of technology, you can be save a lot of labor works in on the previous works in you should cut cutting a ring, then wear it on the fan body. It is a waste of time and very inefficiency. But for now, just one machine code for me. Okay, everything will be fast. This is round creeping. Round creeping. To make the edge be smooth, will not hurt humans. Okay, here is a needle, also driven by hydraulic systems for the horse punching. The needle diameter means the horse diameter. For example, you want 6 millimeter or 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter or 50 millimeter. Okay, so you just change the needle. So the horse diameter will be different. Okay, when finished, you just took the workpiece off. It's quick and automatic. Okay, this is a fan body. The diameter roughly 800 millimeter and the thickness 2 millimeter mild steel, or maybe some guys call it low carbon steel. Okay, this is what we works for the axial flow fan. You have smaller size, bigger size. Of course, this is a kind of a big size, maybe diameter roughly 1,300 millimeter. Of course, you should work it on a heavy duty machine. So BOHP services is heavy duty and for automatic and heavy duty. BOHP 1300 and BOHP 1600. Comparing with BOHC services, it's more automatic and heavy duty works. Okay, so let me show you some videos. Okay, this is this workpiece. The diameter roughly 1,200 millimeter, and the thickness is six millimeter. Okay, you can use obviously you can find that this this works speed and forming speed faster than previous machine. because this heavy duty machine more stronger. And more stable. You can check the main spindle system very stable because different core designs. Yes, here the main spindle system. Here is another system for the folding, the edge folding. Okay. Also the horse punching system, but driven by hydraulic horse punching. This horse maximum can be 60 millimeter. Yes, horse punching. Okay. So now you guys maybe know more about this machine. It is a work for axial flow fan manufacturing with different diameters for different machines can be work on it. This is you can see that this is low carbon steel. Material is low carbon steel. This is a stainless steel, 3 millimeter. Okay, you, you can see that this is a big guys. This diameter roughly 1,600 millimeter, and the thickness is 8 millimeter. Also have some small one. Okay, this is just 400 millimeter, but its thickness is 2 millimeter. But this one a bit of bigger. This is 1,000 millimeter, and the thickness is 3 millimeter. Okay, so now we back to here. Back to please checklist chart. You can find out we got the four machines for a different purpose, and no especially for different diameters and different thickness and automative So all in all, you can find out this is our main four type of machines. For first one is a horizontal one. You can it's a kind of manual machine, and another three one is a vertical type. But you can work for different diameters. So a smaller diameter, bigger diameter. So you can consider it as a light duty or heavy duty machines. So the three and both three types is for automatic, and you can see that BOHP, the maximum flange width is 60 millimeter, and the heavy duty one also 6 millimeter, but it can be exceed to 70 millimeter, and the thickness also different. Heavy duty one gets stronger, so from 2 to 6 millimeter. But the smaller one, that one is from 1 to 3 millimeter. For the diameter is 200 from 200 to 1,300. For the another one, of course, much bigger. For the maximum diameter is 1,600 millimeter. So maybe you guys been know more about our fan flange machines. Okay, today I just talk about fan flange machine. It is supposed to make axial flow fans for smaller or bigger with different machines. Okay. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you have more questions or interested on our machines, just please feel free to hit our website or give or leave messages to us on Facebook, YouTube, Alibaba site. Our sales manager will contact with you and contact with you. Thank you. Okay, thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, this is Emily and today we will talk about the PU foam spring machine. Okay, now let's look at the first machine. This one is the hydraulic polyria PU foam spring machine and the mode is the BDFB. It is especially designed for the polyria project, which is widely used for the wall, for the roof, for the refrigerator, for the tank body, for the pipeline projection coat, for abrasive surface, waterproof, anti anti-spec purpose. The machine has accurate measuring, even mixing, portable, and high performance advantage. It is very especially for the site work because it's very easy to operate. And also, this machine has many advantages. First, such as it adopts the self-cleaning system. Yes, the solvent tank installed on material A side with continuous cleaning on measuring pump seal to avoid the material on bearing, and the machine part life can be lessened with less abrasion, and it is also very easy for maintenance. This machine it adopts the hydraulic drive system. The hydraulic system equipped with imported motor, pump as key parts, and so this machine adopts the main machine, the spring down, the heating hose. Yes, and it is as the main parts. Also, The additional radiator system is equipped to avoid the performance fault because of high oil temperature. So the high pressure puriform spring machines has widely application in the market, which have features of economic and convenient operation and maintenance and so on. The machines can be customized according to the customer's requirement for various outputting and replying to you accordingly because different customers has different requirements. Okay, you could look at the pictures. That is the operator operates the material on the swimming pool for the waterproof, and this operator operates use the machine to spray on the roof, and these are the two materials. We usually call it material A and material B, or the white material and the black material. So that is our hydraulic polymer PV foam spray machine, and the mode is the BDFV. It's very popular and very easy to operate. Okay, the next one, that is the BDF2. This machine is pneumatic high pressure PU foam spray machine. And also it is with balance of cost and performance. So this one, the high pressure PU foam spray machine, is widely used for the wall, for the roof, for the refrigerator, the box, and the pipe and insulation purpose. This machine adopts the pneumatic motor. The pneumatic motor adopts the latest direction change for double direction work, has more stable performance compared to the electrical one. It is also suitable for complicated side work condition. And this BF2, it also adopts the propulsion pump, and the propulsion pump is made from the stainless steel, so it's very durable to reduce abrasion to stairs. And maybe our some friends maybe pilot that when I'm in winter, it is very cold. So how does the machine work? So, but don't worry about it. The main machine adopts the heating systems. Yes, it is suitable for the low temperature work in winter. The temperature control system with number display and with mirroring and overload protection system to control the temperature exactly. So don't worry about it. The customers from all over the world could use this machine, and it's very easily to operate. It's widely used in our daily life, and it is also the most popular mode in among these puriform spray machine. Yeah, it is with the balance of the cost and performance. Also, this machine adopts the heating hose system. The two holes is heated separately with latest wrap inside heating technology. It is much more better than the traditional one to ensure the materials has the best temperature and so before the mixing and the spraying. So and also we will offer the 45 meters heating hose for free. And if you need the longer one, just let us know your requirement, and we could also give you the longer heating hose. Yes. Okay, the next machine, this machine is also the PU form spring machine. Also, could be say the high performance pneumatic pressure Polaria spring machine. And for this Polaria spring machine, polarism and Polaria both okay. So I think it can be applied under various construction situations. Yes. So we could see the pictures of the machine, and also before shipping, the machine will be packaged in the wooden case like this one. So don't worry about it. The machine will be broken when shipping. It will be packaged in wooden case. And this model BDFV high performance polar foam spring machine can be applied in the fields of architecture for or in the highway, in the railway, in the automobile, in the watercraft, meaning petroleum, electrical industry, food industry, and so on. So I think it's very widely used in our daily life. And the associated integration of the human engineering and the structure design makes this equipment compact in structure, also small in volume, light in weight, and is very convenient and flexible in operation. It can be easily handled by one person and suitable for operate under complicated environment. So yes, it's very easy to operate. Just need one operator to hold the spring gun and spring the machine and spray the material to all the direction. Yeah. And the heating horse, we will also offer 45 meters heating horse for free. The horse are safe and durable with four closed waterproof connection with the external cover of the heating insulation layer and anti-abrasion layer. So the heating horse is very durable. And also we just like we see that we will offer the 45 meters heating horse for free. Okay, let's look at some videos about our PU foam spray machine. It is our high pressure PU foam spray machine. It is the BDF2 polyrhythm PU foam spray machine. You could see that our workers just hold the spring guns and some other workers help him to hold the heating hose because the heating hose is so long, yes. But it's very easy to operate. Just hold the spring gun to spray all direction. Yeah. And also, I think that our high pressure polyrhythm foam spring machine is widely used, such as for the wall, for the roof, for the refrigerator, for the box, for the pipe insulation purpose. It is widely used in our daily life. Yeah. And this video is from our customers. Okay, now the next machine, the video for the BDFV. It is a hydraulic polymer foam spring machine. It sprays the material on the surface of the tank body. Apart from the introduction of our machine, maybe our friends are also curious about our after-sales service. And let me talk about talk about the after-sales service. The first question: what is the warranty period? Our machine warranty period is 1 year. Yeah, and we can also support a lifelong consult service. So if you have any questions, just contact us and let us know freely. Yeah. The next question: what is the shipping way? How to get the spare parts if the machine are broken? So don't worry about it. We can send the machines by sea, by air, by railway, and it is depends on your choice. So just let us know your port, your airport, or your ship port, and we could check it for you accordingly. And during the 1 year period, we will send the spare parts for free. And after 1 year, you may pay for it by yourselves. And we will send the spare parts through the DHL, the UPS, the TNT, the International Express. I think it is very easy and it is very fast. And the next question: do you have any training videos on how to operate and maintain the machine? Yes, we will offer the free video training and maintenance for reference. Yeah. And you could contact us by the Skype or WeChat or WhatsApp or email. And our salesman or engineer are 24 hours online. So our service is 24 hours online service. And if you want to come to our channel, yeah, we could offer the 2 days free training in our factory. And our engineers were on site to teach you how to use it. And also our engineer could go abroad to your country for training, but the airplane ticket, the accommodation, and so many things will be paid by yourself. Yes, but I think our after sales service will be very good. Yes, I think it's that. So let us see the videos again for the more clear understanding of our PU foam spring machine. And for this one, it is our high pressure PU foam spring machine. The high pressure pneumatic pressure polarism foam spring machine. Okay, today I talk about the PU foam spray machine to you, and next let my colleague Ada to introduce the puriform injection machine. Okay, welcome. Hello, Ada. Hello, I'm Ada Rook. Okay, let's talk about a high puriform injection machine. High pressure puriform injection machine have would publish in the market, which have feature of economy and convenience. Operation. And the machine can be customer according to customer requirement for vary output and mixing retail. Okay, it's high pressure puriform injection machine. Um, this raw materials, so A and B, mixing in hand injection. With the mold. Published case, for example, PUC, Carson, PU Handform, PU Toys. Okay, let's watch the videos. The machine making PU pillows. This the mold. The machine injecting the mold. The injection the mold 1, 2, 3. So if you need the mold, we can customer for you. So if the product pure state, pure 那个 pure carcass. These are factory different mode of high pressure and low pressure. And operation videos. 这是上一个。Okay, let's watch in our factory. So different mode of high pressure and low pressure. The machine, after the raw materials flow out of the materials tank, then offload by a metering bump and mixing at the hand of the machine by high-speed retail of the motor. And then injection a mold for cutting. The time vary according to product size and production on your about 3 to 5 minutes. So the machine including electronic system, hybrid system, heat exchanger system, um, hydraulic system, high pressure and low pressure switcher system, metering system, storage system. So um, so it's this the uh, high pressure machine flow chart is A and B from floater hydraulic PLC. So then the injection mixing hand. It's our customer making pure float. It's high pressure pure form injection machine. So PLC control. After the raw materials flow out of a materials tank, then by metering pump and mixing at hand of the machine by high speed of the motor and then pouring to a mold. The time varies according to product size and the production on euro about 3 to 5 minutes. So it's so we have different model. Um, For example, high pressure and low pressure are different. The hand of high pressure machine is free of clean and serve raw materials. The mixing of the low pressure machine is that A and B raw materials are transported to the mixing hand through the metering pump and mixing high speed by the board. After each injection, there will be in the mixing. So um, so it must be clean with the clean solution. So the high pressure is that A and B. That is A and B. A and B. Raw materials are transported to the mixing hand through the high pressure metering pump and mixing high pressure. After use is have a clear clean flow without raw materials loss. see. Okay. So it's a free clean injection in free clean. It's a PLC creation. What do you think? Okay, and the high pressure machine is that's the A and B raw materials are transported to the mixing hand through the high pressure metering pump and mixing by the high pressure. After use, it has a clear, clean flushing without raw materials loss. So the high pressure pure form machine have wider published in the market, which have feature of economy and convenience operation. And minimum, the machine can be customer according to customer requirement for very output and mixing retail. So the mixing retail can be customer one to one or one to three. So can be customer. Okay, if you need, please contact me my email or my WeChat or WhatsApp. 哎，完了。哇，我那里卡了，不是视频了。你快来！我知道我打不开了，因为。 Okay, let's watch our factory is high pressure and high pressure is injection mixing hand, the PLC, the the raw materials tank, the float. Um, and this raw materials A and B is polymer is arsenic. Is the mold. The mold is can be customer for your requirement. So different model for your requirement. Could you offer training? Yes, yes. We can provide. How much? If you need the machine, please contact me my email or WhatsApp. So let's watch our factory. So welcome our factory. Mm, So the machine is used our high pressure pure former injection machine. So it's very easy operation, and the machine free of clean and several the raw materials. That's the A and B. A and B raw materials are transported to the mixing hand through high pressure metering pump and mixing high pressure solution. After use, it have cell clean solution without raw materials loss. So survey raw materials. Okay, about is our share of high pressure and low pressure. Okay, if you need, please contact me my email. Okay, goodbye. See you later.
Hello everyone. I am Bonnie. I'm for bobomachine. Welcome to my introducing the broadcast for the my screen making machine. Here around my I'm introducing the screen machine for more videos and pictures. First one is a timeless. spring wire machine. Actually, it is not only the spring coiling or spring bending, but all kinds of wire bending. Any wire is okay, such as copper wire, stainless wire, carbon steel wire, and iron wire. They are all no problem for us. Okay, here see the first video for cabinet machine. First, I will say more about what that means cabinet machine. Okay, first, please check the video again. Okay, you can see the video has 8 arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 arms. Cameras means every arm is controlled by separate servo motor. This machine is up to about 6, more than 5 millimeter for the wire diameter, and the 12 axis means 8 axis control the 8 cam, the 8 cams, and the ninth one is Y feeding. The 10th is Y cutting. Yeah, after the spring finished, then a servo motor will cut the Y. The 11 is the Y rotary here. Yeah, the spring shape can be rotated to any shape, any position. The last one is a servo spinner. It's like a robot here to bend the angle and bend the larger diameter. You see that again. Okay, this is about the cabinet machine, and you can see some pictures about the cabinet machine. Here is the biggest machine in our plant. You can maybe it's double height than a man, double height than a man. It's more than 3 meters in height and more than 5 kilogram, 5,000 kilogram. And here is the small one. The wide diameter is about 2.5 millimeter, and it is this is 10 axis. This machine has no wide rotary and the servo spinner. 10. And here is the 3 axis wire coiling machine. What means wire coiling machine? It manufactures the spring coiling and winding for ordinary springs. Winding only. And please check more pages. Here are 6 axis wire coiling for the compressor machine only, and you can see our plans. And I will introduce our plans that we answer all kinds of springs for spring products or making spring samples for our machine customers. So you can come to our factory anytime if you want, and you can visit our plants to order the machine in running. And the oldest machine in our plant has been more than 10 years in manufacturing. So I think you can see the ability of our machine manufacturing and wide products manufacturing. Welcome to our factory. Okay. Okay, I can't see you clearly. Yes, we have customs on. That's my colleague answer. Okay. Next, yes, to check a video. To see the video first, this is 3-axis CNC bending machine, and it is manufactured in Towson Spring now. It also has 8 arms, and is controlled by CNC PLC. Okay, here I'm introducing this machine to you. 3-axis means and the machine has 3 axis, 3 servo motor. The first one is Y feeding, and the second one is Y cutting. And what about the third one? Okay, I'm introducing the third one. The third one is controlling all the 8 arms. The 8 arms, but not directly. It control 8 control the cams first, then the cam is put by our engineer in correct placing, then we'll control the arms up and down. You can see the video again. Okay. Now this is cam, and this one is cam. And the machine is the machine has 8 arms also. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 arms also. Okay, stop here. You can see a sharp device, 2 sharp device. Okay, here. The one, the second, the second, the first one, the second one. To see, this is this sharp device. What is this? They are probe. What that mean probe? If you have you are making using our machine making some difficult shape or like this tensor spring double twist spring. Then the machine run fast. Well, after sometimes manufacturing the wire, maybe the wire is not good, not wrong, or some other problems. Maybe the product is not perfect. How to test this product is not on standard that we use in the probe. For the probe, every step to the probe is to test the angle or the wire position. Every every product manufactured in our machine, the probe will touch the correct position. If out of this correct position, the machine will stop and will alarm. Then the worker maybe will listen to the alarm and to check what happened. This is the probe. Okay. Let's see the video again. Okay, some customer asking some questions. How many axes does this machine have? 3 axes. I have introduced a moment ago. 3 axes. One is control feeding, Y feeding. The second is Y cutting, and the third one is controlling all the cam. And All our machines, when delivered, the machine controls the 6 sets of tools within the machine ordinary and delivered to customer, and also has some one standard decoder. What does mean separate tools? Why need six sets of tools? Maybe such as this machine. This machine is the wire diameter is up to 3.5 millimeter. Besides this, it can also manufacture 3 millimeter or 2 millimeter or less than 2 millimeter, some smaller one, and a different shape. So the shape is programmed in the PLC, and it can be written correct program by engineer. But what about wire feeding and a coil? So this wire feeding guide and the coil is the correct tools. If you want to change different diameter, you must change the tools. So if you have more than 6 kinds of different diameter wire, you have to let me know in advance so that we can arrange more tours for delivery. So I think you have know that. Okay, here is this one is CNC wire bending machine. CNC wire bending machine. Okay, next is about our most popular one is our smallest machine as made and making ball pen springs. To check the video, the diameter is less than 0.8 millimeter. And the capacity is so fast. You can see the capacity is fast. Okay, the capacity is up to more than 400 pieces per minute. More than 400 pieces per minute. That means you can get more than 400 pieces in 1 minute. If you want some bigger springs, of course this machine is through the spring winding only. If you want to have any other shape, you have to use our CNC universal spring making machine or other 12-axis cabinet machine. This one is for the comparison and reading only. Okay, let's see video again. Okay, you can see the decoder here. This is the decoder. Okay, I think you have know more about our three models of machines. About the first one is canvas. Canvas means every cam is controlled by separate servo motor. The second one is three-axis a universal wire bending. So this machine, the features is a little cheaper, and but you need an experienced engineer. Of course, you can send your engineer to our plant for training, but you know this period is not so convenient. So we adjust. So I'm introducing you about our September promotion. On Alibaba. The first one, if you wanna purchase the spring machine this year or next year, you better purchase order in this month, much better. Yeah, because you can get the discount up to $1,000 US, 1,000 $1,000. Besides, the second promotion is we provide free shipping. That means all the maybe last month or last year you got our quotation within FOB price, and this at this period in September you can get this price also, and reduce $1,000 as a discount, and besides you can also get free shipping. So we provide a CRF price and $1,000 price lower. The third one, free inspection. What means free inspection? Now, here this point is so important because it is hard to go abroad recently, and maybe you can come to China for inspection either. So it is better when you place the order on Alibaba, maybe you can click a button which shows inspection. But this inspection is not free for you, but we can help you pay this cost. After machine finished, the Alibaba employee who got your order for the inspection will come to our factory for machine inspection. They will check the machine outlook and the machine capacity and the samples and our plant. Also, we also some like our how to say the package, something important you want to know, and they will answer you a report by email. So after finish this report, we will ask you for balance. Then the machine will be delivered. So that is important. The last one, the fourth, also the last one, the promotion is online show. That's now like just now. If you want to have if you want some questions about the machines, maybe you have to you can see our TV show and chatting more about the machines and ask me some questions. I will answer you online for our face to face. Okay. Introducing again the first one, 100 discounts, $1,000 US discount. The second one, free shipping cost, The third one, free inspection by Alibaba, free inspection. The fourth one, online show, like broadcast like now. Okay. I think I have said more about the machines and the promotion now. Now, if you have more questions, please contact our email or our team manager. I will ask you as soon as possible. And please, so much for today's TV show, and see you next time. Bye.关了，你叔叔回了吗？怎么了？回了吗？我关了。怎么了？再坐一会儿，坐着再穿衣服，还在哪？谁呀？一帆。个人呀。再坐一会儿。那稍微再播一下呗，让你播一下，你是会继续。穿衣服。哦。差点被我关了。没事，这我没关的。那我把小蜜蜂开了，我把小蜜蜂关掉，你帮他开一下的话。关着。15分钟才可以。小蜜蜂关着了，开一下。今晚落地。关掉了，开。
Hi everyone, I'm Chris. So I'm going to introduce my machine, hydraulic paper plate making machine. Let's say picture first. That's our paper plate making machine, and let me introduce the process of forming plate. First, you need to put the raw material in here.我开了。So you need paper raw material put in here, and the belt will transport into forming place. And when the forming down, the plate will put in here. Okay, so let's see a video.
音量没有调，刚才。
So our machine is high speed and intelligent paper plate machine uses desktop layout. The machine adopts mechanical transmission, hydraulic forming, and pneumatic blowing paper, which has the advantages of stable performance and easy operation. Maintains for electric parts, PLC, photoelectricity, tracking, auto intelligence, and safe fabrication can directly support production line. That's all. This video will show you our production line. Okay. By the way, we also have packaging machine, die cutting machine, and the printing machine. They all have to do with paper plates, but they are not the focus of today, so we won't talk too much about them. If you guys interested, you can contact our colleagues for those machine details. You can see the picture. That's our PLC, and you can use Chinese, English, Hispano. Our machine, this machine can produce paper plate size. It's about 4 to 15 inches, and raw material you can use base paper, whiteboard paper, white cardboard paper, or others. And this machine will have double stations. Each station can produce 40 to 70 pieces in 1 minute, and total is 80 to 140 pieces in 1 minute. And you can see the picture. It's our molds in here. One machine we can provide 2 free molds, and extra mold will be charged if you you can. Let's see products by our machine maker. You can see we have colorful paper plate, we have round plate, and square plate, even star plate, and rapid plate. Here, rapid plate, fruit plate, animal plate, colorful plate. In the market, we usually can see the white round plate and a square plate, and white square plate, not this color. Our machine's forming in here is through heat forming. In here in PLC you can input quantity in here. quantity in here, and the machine can start produce and input quantity you want. The machine starts work. This mode with mold forming. Okay, and these two pictures, it's our engine, and here it's double stations here. This is conveyor belt forming place in here. And let me introduce our machine's advantages. First is independent research and development. The latest products using the fast oil pressure system. Each station is 15 to 20 minutes faster than ordinary machine. Second is sandpaper paper using mechanical work, stable performance compared to the ordinary type of paper drop technology. The waste rate is greatly reduced. It also can automatically produce all kinds of non-standard products. Finished product rate of 100% solve the problem of ordinary machines cannot complete. And hydraulic oil recycling can reduce emission, pollution, and low noise. And you can see our production line here. You can buy three plate machines, or 3 to 5 plate machines, and one packing machine is enough to make a production line. Machine you can also we have double stations. One station we can use round mode, and other can use square mode. Then you can produce 2 different types paper plates. You also can produce 2 different size plates. And you can through conveyor belt to packaging machine. As you can see, the you can see our packaging machine there. Through here, cut and heat forming, and you only need one worker to save your worker. Okay, so that's my machine, and that's all. So let's back to start. Paper plate, hydraulic paper plate making machine. It's through three steps. One is a raw material place, and the second is forming place. Third is plate placement. And you can see here it's hydraulic press switch, power switch, hydraulic control light, power light. And we can produce multi paper plate, and that's all. That's all. Today's. Thank you, guys.
Hi, this is Justin Lee. Glad to see you again. Okay, today we introduce our machine. Okay. Firstly, we introduce our the ventilation machines, spiral pipe making machines. Okay, for spiral tube formers, it have different models. The first model is the best performance model. It is full automatic, from coil to straightening to the forming to spiral and cutting lengths, and also automatic running off. So this model is the most automatic model. So we also can supply the middle model is using similar with this model, but that one is more cheaper. And also we have the lower cost, the basic model for saw cutting, and this model is the shear cutting. Um, the forming head, the difference is this one is using aluminum casted aluminum material. So the mold is very easy to change, and very light. One mold, one die around 6 kilometers, 6 kilogram. So it can be easy to exchange. The material of aluminum is lightweight, and also the cutting system is measured by the system counter. So it can be setting the freely to setting the length in the PLC controller, also the touch screen controller system. Also, it have different the safety protections for easy for our operators, like the decoupler is with a tension controller. When the coil is running very fast, then it will have a brake to stop to make the coil running slow. If something happened like the coil problem, okay, it will be like the coil cannot move. Then the machine will automatic stop to protection to protect the coil, the machine motors. And here this one is okay. Then this kind of pipe is using in the air conditioning for almost like a dust and dust collection, or the air vent for the factory, for roof, for rooftop, and for chimney also. Uh, okay, the downside this one, this is the post-tension pipe forming machine. It's spiral forming also. This is the coil from this side to straight to through the rolling system, then making the carpet and the strip, then to the inside of the forming head to making it a spiral to go straight. And here you can see here is the saw cutting. This is the saw cutting. Okay, actually for the cutting length, you can set in the sensor's place, the sensor length. You want 1 meter, okay, you just put the sensor to the cutting place with 1 meter or 2 meter, I say, to go straight. Also, it can be connected together with the flanching machine. Flanching machine, it can through the flanching machine. Okay, the pipe will be made to flange. The like this kind of pipe is using in the like a bridge and construction. So it will be keeping to make to be working with reinforce to the wire or road to to through it through inside. Okay, this kind is using for small diameters. Also, it can be making a more bigger diameter like 150 or 200, 300 millimeters or 500 millimeters. Of course, that strip will be different. Mm, the strip wise and thickness will be changed. So it is using working at different machine models. Also, here is a control panel to setting the machine, speed. Uh, Also, it can be and the counter inside. The cooling have to using emulsion cooling when the pipe forming. Here we have a liquid tube uh, to make the just the liquid the cooling system will be here to forming round forming spiral. Okay, this is the small pipes. With the bigger pipes, also they are using in the underground for drainage, or using some small bridge. Okay, it will can through the waters, so it can making you can see it is very wide, very big machine, and the thickness it can be from 1 millimeter to 3 millimeters. So it is the 3 millimeters thickness galvanized steel or stainless steel. The stainless steel normally is not using here. It is working for galvanized steel. Galvanized steel here the wise of the strip normally is 300 millimeters or 450 millimeters. Also, the congregate are they are using different. They can be setting with can customize with the wise for the ripples like wise of the ripple and deep was the ripple. Likewise, normally they're working with 78 millimeters, and the dips will be uh, 45, 45 or others. We can, of course, is follow the customer's requirements. For this kind of machine, normally we are providing the customized. So the customers, if you have different you have requirements, or you can tell our your size, your strip size, and the ripples requirements, so we can quote you according. Okay. Uh, okay, you can see this kind of the pipe. It's very huge diameter. It can be made 3 meters or 2 meters. The maximum is 6 meters. So it is working for the bigger constructions. Of course, its advantage is normally the people using the piece by piece, the calculated place to install them together. So that is well, not that kind of is waste the well cost the labor cost is much higher, because one screw connecting together one piece by one piece. So this is the spiral forming the pipe with the length, any length you want, and you can connect them with less with short time, and to finish your project to more fastly. Okay, here we show the the usage. We are working at the rooftop and this is the made by the this is the main finished production. The congregate pipes. You see the diameters are normally taller than process. Also, it can be make the small diameters. You can see the congregate is different. It's more small, more the spiral. You can see it's different. With the bigger one. Okay, it is working for the drainage or on the ground. And also here is the air vent for air pipes. Also the fittings, the the congregate pipe and the elbow, the T elbows. We can provide a machine for making them all the fittings. Okay, here we show a machine video. It is working for the spiral pipe forming. This is the decover, the cover going through the machine through the rollers. It's a touch screen for operating. Also the buttons is with a cooling system. This is a forming die here and the shape cutting. The shape cutting working. After working, the running table will push the pipe out. Okay, we show the flexible duct machine. Flexible duct machine, it can it has different kinds of the semi aluminum duct using for chimney or fireplace or stove or for the inner wall. Of course, that counts as is the stainless steel. Also, this one is the aluminum material. So with the different material, it's okay. We can provide with different machine. Okay. Here, this one is a flexible duct machine. The material is PET, aluminum, and wire, and also glue. The glue is the water-based glue, so it is resistance from the fire. Okay, this one is the wire coil, and this is a heating box for heating the materials with glue to make them working good to stick together. Also, it can be setting the cutting lengths and automatic loading down. It also can be done. And this one and this one, the last one is the PVC metal clip flexible duct machine. You can see our pipe models. This one is with the metal clip and inside with PVC, and the PVC is more flexible, and the temperature they can offer the high temperature air exhaust. Also, it can working for the people working for down underground, so it can provide offer the fresh air from the ground. Okay. Also have PVC hot is hot welding with inside with also with wire inside. And here you can see the materials the pipe models, flexible PET aluminum, and also it can be laminated with PVC strip, and also PET aluminum, I mean in the double layers. Also, it can be laminated with a clear PET or metallized polyester. The diameters normally they are from 75 or 50 millimeters to 300, 500. Also, the bigger one for the PVC flexible duct, it can be make up to 1,000 millimeters diameter. Okay, here we show you the pipe using at the top rooftop for the central air conditioning, and also here with PVC laminated for reduce the noise, and it can working for long term, more long life. And this one is the cut it is one side of the head. You can see the three layers inside. Uh, flexible aluminum pipe with wire inside with reinforced, and all the middle layer is glass wool for insulation layer, and the outside is the jacketing um, for keep the pipe with um, it's protecting for inside the pipes. And also here this one is for stove chimney stove for high temperatures. And here this one is PVC flexible ducts. Also inside with the wire reinforced. Okay, here we show a video which is working for pure aluminum. Same, we can also call it a semi-raised aluminum duct. This is two layers. Also, it can be made one layer or two layer through the tank for cooling, and the rollers. Of course, the cover the for compression. It's a compression box, automatic length cutting, and push the pipe down to the box. It will be automatic compress for easy packing and transportation and for storage. Also, the repos, the locks in, we can make them as the customer's requirements, or you can send us the samples. We can help you make the same one. So this is very convenient for different requirements. The standards at every country they have different standards, so we can help customers to make that work. Also, the diameters can be exchanged to different diameters. Also, here we show refrigeration machines, which is processing the pipes for refrigeration, for radiators, for evaporator, and so on. So we make we make the coils. We have to using the pipes with a coil shape. So we have to straightening cut lengths and bending the shapes to fit different size, and also for connecting welding and the tube end forming to tube end processing like reducing the pipe end and flaring, also plug, also it can be made and different machines. For the bendings, here is our advantage machine. It is bending for serpentine tapes, serpentine bending. Also, we can provide the 3D bending, 3D bendings, and the spiral bendings. We can provide that machines. They are working for different bending shapes and requirements. We can also make the full automatic machines for from the coil to cutting lengths and the tube end forming and also the bending to different shapes. So it can be made by one machine. One machine finish all to help customers to receive the production time and labor cost. Okay, guys. Today our live our podcast is ending. So if anyone have any questions or inquiries, free to contact with us and send inquiries for your detailed requirements. Let us know. We can provide you the whole solutions for the machine and help you try to help you to save cost in this product. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Today we are ending. Bye. See you next time.